Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to view 3D buildings on Google Earth. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in googleearth.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile by logging in with your email or Google account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, top left side, we have, as you can see, File, View, Add, Tools, Help option. And here also, as you can see, we have the search bar where you can search for specific locations. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and view 3D buildings on Google Earth. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So to view 3D buildings on Google Earth, follow these steps. So open the Google Earth Pro on your computer. So you'll have to have a Google Earth Pro for this. Then in the left panel, select layers. As you can see in the bottom left corner, we also have the layers. Next to the primary database, click the right arrow. Next to the three buildings, click the right arrow. Uncheck any image options you don't want to see. Go to place on the map, zoom in until you see buildings in 3D, and explore the area around you. So you can do it by clicking on like this, clicking on an area, and here it will zoom you in, and you will have the 3D view of all of these areas as you can see. Now you can explore the area. This will allow you to see realistic 3D images of buildings and other structures. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video and share it and subscribe to this channel. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.